Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin in Side Settings because the Control Center's appearance is tied to system-wide display settings. First, open Settings, tap Control Center, and confirm the toggles you need. Once done, go to Display and Brightness to pick Light or Dark. Control Center inherits this. Make sure Reduce Transparency is off in Accessibility so blur effects appear. If your device is on an outdated iOS, update now. That fixes theme inconsistencies and unlocks the only official way to change the Control Center look. Now you're changing the appearance that controls the Control Center's theme. In Display and Brightness, switch between light and dark. Control Center immediately adopts that scheme. If you want automatic switching, enable Auto and set a schedule or sunset to sunrise. Next, visit Accessibility right arrow Display and text size and toggle Reduce Transparency. Turning it off increases blur and gives the translucent Control Center look, while turning it on increases contrast for legibility. These steps are the only supported controls for theme changes. Finish by opening Control Center to verify the new theme. Swipe down from the top right or up depending on model. If it didn't update, toggle dark mode off and on again or reboot the phone. Transient UI caches often need a restart. Make sure accessibility settings didn't override translucency. If problems persist, back up and use settings right arrow general right arrow transfer or reset right arrow reset all settings. This returns appearance defaults without erasing data. That reset typically resolves stubborn display.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.